Hi, I'm Annette Baker, and I came to Sonu's clinic when she first opened up. I was one of her first patients. I really needed a new perspective on my arthritis, and I surely got it. I really did. Sonu, the first thing that really attracted me to Sonu was her smile and her personality. She's just so open and warm and welcoming. The whole clinic was just amazing, nothing that I'd ever experienced before. So I came here with a chronic problem. I have very chronic rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, psoriatic arthritis, and osteoporosis. So I was quite a patient to really get involved with in the first instance of coming here, but Sonu was absolutely fantastic. I could talk to her and she listens. I don't like to criticise other professionals, but a lot don't listen to you. But Sonu really, really listened to me and really took on everything I had to say about my condition and gave me some fantastic alternative ways of thinking and doing things. She's great. I love coming here. I talk about this place all the time, and the staff are so friendly and welcoming.
And what I love about Annette, and I talk about her and use her as an example to my patients, because you inspire me to promote that holistic approach to health. You look after yourself, in spite of the diagnosis or the disease. You think about health as something that you can improve through lifestyle and nutrition.
Absolutely.
And positive thinking. And I really admire you, and I feel very inspired. And when I see that kind of response, that in spite of the disease you can actually live rather than just exist, is wonderful. So Annette, you give me back that confidence and that fulfillment that yes, it can happen, and yes, we can deliver the same message to thousands of other patients. So I don't see you as the person with 6 types of arthritis. I see you as a person who does the 21-kilometer run, swim, walk every morning. So you are truly inspirational, and
Thanks.
I think I always quote your example, and I tell Annette that she will be doing some health talks and some support groups for my patients. So as a doctor, I equally am privileged to be part of your journey, and patients like yourself who motivate me to keep going and to feel joyous and inspired by your story.
Wonderful. We only have one life to live, and we have to take every day. We've got to get up every morning and live it to the fullest. We never know, and it's going to be the last day on earth. So people like Sonu coming into our lives, and this whole clinic and the whole holistic approach is wonderful. It's needed. We haven't really got anything like this on the Gold Coast, and we need this so much. I talk to people every day that have got rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, depression. The list goes on and on and on, and it's all due to their thoughts, their way of thinking. We have to change our way of thinking, and I really want to do this. I want to become part of this practice and this new way of thinking about we are what we think. Yeah. And Sonu's really helped me so much, and she's encouraged me to continue on my journey. And I just want to help people so much. Even walking home today, to tidy myself up a little bit for this, I actually ran into a patient that I told about this, and he's, I want to come, People need this, because when you get a disease, you can be surrounded by people, but it's a very isolating thing, particularly when it's the onset of a disease. Now, my story is I was teaching, and I used to teach teenagers, 15, 16 and 17-year-olds, and I was a really good teacher. But then I got diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. I felt sick. Really sick. Now, getting rheumatoid arthritis really changed my life. I was so sick. I struggled to get up and go and teach every day, to be with 28 teenagers that really needed me fully. Back in those days, I didn't have the better medication. I was on things like Brufen, and it's far better now, but I didn't have the knowledge that I had now. Basically, it changed my life. I had to quit teaching after years and years of being a teacher I came to Australia to get to a better climate, and because of the arthritis at the time, I was so sad and upset about it. It has really been the best thing. It's almost a gift to me because it's brought all this other incredible stuff into my life. This disease, you know, I've met the kind of people that I've met because of having arthritis. And in a way, instead of being a victim and like I hate this arthritis, I kind of embrace it, and I've learnt to love it in a weird way. That sounds weird, but I get up every morning and I will not let this arthritis be me. I am not going to be a victim to arthritis, no way. Get up every morning, get out, exercise. It's all in how we think. We are what we think we are. If I had chosen 23 years ago to be a victim to this, I would be a sad person right now. My rheumatologist back in Christchurch said to me, Annette, in years to come, you will, when you get into your 40s and 50s, you'll need walking aids, you won't be able to do this, that or the other. Blow that. I'm not listening to that negativity. I do 21 kilometres of exercise every day because it's in here. You are what you think you are. Do not be a victim. And it's because I've come here, I've met people like Sonu and her husband and all of these positive people, friends that have come into my life through this. It's been life-changing. It's really, you know, what can I say? Like, it's great. It's so good. I'm so excited to be part of it.
Listening to you just makes me think, yeah, it's all worthwhile. And we shall keep on this journey and help as many people as we can in our own small way.